Three numbers to know before Korea's markets open. KOSPI200 futures trading just blew past 1,000 trillion won in cumulative volume. Doosan Fuel Cell jumped 54%. Even after an earnings shock, Kakao Mobility's board just approved the U.S. ADR listing, and Meritz Securities is opening its first overseas subsidiary in Hong Kong. It's Tuesday, August 18th. Here's what investors are watching in Korea today. Korean brokerages and corporates are moving fast on overseas and capital market opportunities this week. Meritz is expanding into Hong Kong, while Kakao Mobility pushes for a U.S. listing. At the same time, index futures activity and convertible bond issuance point to elevated trading and financing activity across the market. Here's what the numbers show. Meritz Securities plans to launch its first overseas subsidiary in Hong Kong, with license approval targeted within the year. Kakao Mobility's board formally approved a U.S. ADR listing, with shareholder TPG among those pushing for a faster Nasdaq debut. Doosan Fuel Cell shares surged 54% on strong new orders, even after the company posted an earnings shock. KOSPI200 futures trading value surpassed 1,000 trillion won in cumulative volume this year. Companies facing high borrowing costs pushed convertible bond and mezzanine issuance toward 9 trillion won this year, with cumulative issuance up 82.7% from a year earlier. The CB financing wave reflects how expensive traditional bank loans have become for mid-sized firms this year. So what does this mean for market participants today? Earlier, we said KOSPI200 futures trading just topped 1,000 trillion won. Here's what that actually means for you. Liquidity and hedging activity in Korea's derivatives market are running at historically elevated levels. Combined with Kakao Mobility's ADR push and Meritz's Hong Kong expansion, it signals Korean capital markets are actively courting global capital and cross-border deals. Kakao Mobility's ADR pricing details and Nasdaq listing timeline. Meritz Securities' Hong Kong license approval progress. Whether convertible bond issuance keeps climbing as rates stay elevated. That's today's AI Prism, Securities Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.